funny.
Look at it.
Well, he's definitely a snow dog.
He's thirsty. I don't know if he's got any water. Okay, let me let him in.
No, it's funny.
Come on, guys.
Come on.
Hi, Romeo. I hit him first. My goodness. Look at you. Get in the snow. Are you hungry? Are you guys hungry? Are you hungry? Come on.
I want to see him do his little dance. Go get the food. Want the food?
I'm coming, Romeo. I'm coming.
Daddy?
My goodness, Romeo. It sounds like Chewbacca. Chewbacca is, right?
Yeah.
Here, hold this up.